On one occasion, it is mentioned of Salama bin Al-Akwa, also in the incident of Khaybar. Salama bin Al-Akwa was roughly 13 to 14 years old. And he says, a sword struck me on my shin, that it wounded my leg, I could not walk anymore. I went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took his saliva and rubbed it on my shin, and thereafter there was no pain anymore. I was walking as if nothing had happened to my leg. However, the scar remained, and it was as if someone had just operated on me right now. This was Salama bin Al-Akwa. In the occasion of Hunain, Khalid bin Walid radiallahu anhu says, I also had a sword that hit my shin. And those of us that get hurt on your shin, sometimes when you hit a rock or you hit a bench or something, you know how painful it is. So he said, I had a sword that hit my shin, I could not walk anymore. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam after the battle came looking for me. Imagine what a honor. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is looking for who? Khalid bin Walid. He found me resting against my saddle. And he said, oh Khalid, what has happened to you? I said, oh Prophet of Allah, my shin is hurt, I cannot walk. The Prophet ﷺ passed his hand on my shin, and instantly I was cured. This was the miracle that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Which other Anbiya alayhi salam, Allah ta'ala gave them those miracles. It was distinct to, every miracle was distinct to a certain Nabi. But all those miracles were given to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam as Khatamun Nabiyyin.